Tool monitoring. In modern manufacturing workshops, tool wear and lifespan management are key factors in production efficiency and product quality. Traditional tool management relies on manual inspection and experience-based judgment, often resulting in either excessive use or premature replacement of tool, leading to reduced machining quality and resource waste. With the function, spindle or feed axis current during cutting is monitored in real time, and its comparison with preset threshold is performed. If the current exceeds the threshold, the system automatically marks the end of the tool life, records its usage, and when calling the program block of the tool at the next running, system will automatically select a sister tool from the same group and load corresponding tool offsets. This function is activated by configuring tool offset, where current threshold, and maximum service life in tool monitoring interface, as well as inserting M12 command in the machining G-code. This function enables real-time tracking of tool lifespan, precisely schedules tool change timing, and realizes unmanned intelligent workshop operations.